Hello, I'm Edward Tarte. This is one of a series of solution videos to some of my math challenges. This particular math challenge is my To Catch a Spy challenge. And here's how I presented that challenge in the original video. This puzzle takes the form of a fictional story. This diagram represents the layout of a large industrial park run by the Defense Department. It has 9 north-south streets numbered across the top, 1 through 9. It also has 9 east-west streets lettered across the left edge, A through I, so that we can easily identify any intersection. For example, the intersection that I have marked with this green dot could be called intersection D6. It was discovered that sensitive information was leaking out of this park, and the authorities were not getting anywhere in investigating it until one day they found a slip of paper on the ground that said, "Meet me every Wednesday at the intersection near my office. Enter by the northwest gate," that's here, "and take a different route every time." That gives you 924 choices. Well, the authorities assumed that whoever was going to follow those instructions, entering by the northwest gate, would always proceed east or south, never backtracking and going north or west. Under that assumption, they figured out the intersection where there were exactly 924 choices for getting there. They put a surveillance team there, and they were indeed successful in catching the alleged informant. Where was that intersection? Well, here's my solution. I have put in a chart the number of ways of getting to each intersection as stipulated in the challenge, always starting in the upper left-hand corner and always moving either down or to the right. There's one way only to get to each intersection across the top and also down the left edge. In the interior of this diagram, you add to get the new number. For example, since there's one way to get there and one way to get there, and these are the two gateways to this location, you add 1 plus 1 gives 2 ways of getting there. And that method works throughout. For example, here, 84 plus 126 gives this number 210. Some of you may recognize this as Pascal's triangle. I have a couple of videos on this special array of numbers. I invite you to check them out. Well, as it turns out, here is the intersection that meets the demands of the problem. This is the place where there are exactly 924 ways to get to it. And so that's the solution. This is intersection 7G. And so that is my solution to the To Catch a Spy challenge. Thank you for watching this video.